Hello, this is Cyberjack, and today I'm going to talk about Reddit ads and what it can do for your social media account and how to promote yourself on YouTube and your business. First thing you want to do is go to reddit.com. It's a social media site, and you can get coins for referring more people to the website. First thing you do is create a free account online. Okay, then you can go to advertisement, fill in your company name, your business, your first name, last name, but you don't have to use a real name, you can use your business name. And then it'll show you right here. You create your ads online, type in the name. The default payment is only credit card, so they charge you to use for this campaign, so they charge you a monthly fee. Okay, for the objective section, so brand awareness and reach, all you gotta do is describe your product or service and explain what is it used for, what are the benefits, and how can it help you in your everyday life. The traffic section will help send on the search engine optimization. People advertise on Reddit and pull a lot of people go to your website, go look at it, and you get paid for cost per click, and for brand awareness is pay costs per 1,000 impressions. Conversions is when okay, some activity like on your account, like people click on your account, you get cost per click. If they order something and they keep on clicking and clicking and until they buy something, you still get paid. For every app installed, you get paid cost per click. For every video, let us say you upload a YouTube video, you get paid cost per view. Say my campaign, credit card, see what it goes. Next thing you want to do is, on the next part, they'll tell you your ad group. You can put location if you want to, but if you're not, it's okay. You click what interests are you in. You can say entertainment, and you can say select the target. You say entertainment. Or you can do business finance. They'll give you those selection. Community. You do mobile device. It's mostly on mobile device, and you can choose on an Android phone or Apple phone. How much would you like to spend for your ad? Like the minimum must be at least $5 per day. So maximum looks like about 50 per day. The bid is minimum about $1 per click. And you choose your schedule. Run every single day, start today, or set campaign when to start and when to end. The time of day, you can say you can choose between Monday through Sunday, let's say 2 in the morning, actually 1 in the morning, all the way to about this time. You'll spend about $1.20 per day on advertisement. I mean per campaign. I'll provide some links and descriptions at the end of the video. Okay, after you finish that, enter. You can do locations. You can exclude location. see. Exclude community. Okay, so it gives me there. Alright, $5 the budget. Okay, you'll spend up to about, so based on if you just do for one day, how much they charge you. You spend up to $6 per day on campaign. So that's your daily budget. You set how much your budget. You don't have to do time of day. That's fine. You enter the name for your ad. Add a impression tracker. Okay, let's see what it is. Tracker 1 is mostly just like keywords. It can be like technology. Okay, click tracker. How to make money online. Keep it simple. And then creative ones are the ads that'll stream, flow online, save time by reusing existing posts, duplicate posts to make small changes. Okay, I got it. You understand? Okay, there's too many values. So let's make it simple. Money. Must be a URL. Click trackers have to have URLs. Okay, so far no posts available. And then after you do that, you hit the review section. They'll show you, and then you hit submit. Okay, to be verified, verify your email. Click that. Okay, and then when you're ready to post, you also post like create your post. You post it online. It'll be in your community. Okay. Next thing is get coins. How do you get coins? Gold, silver, and platinum. The purchasing. All provides some of that information on the get coins section. What's the point of purchasing the coins? I think all they do is you purchase the coins. Coins will give you the amount to use for your ads, so you can make it free. Since you like purchase $1.99, that's 500 coins. Each one will be worth about like 10 to 20 coins, depending on your membership. Let's go to what are coins. Okay, coins are virtual good you can use for award, exemplary posts, or comment. Support Reddit, encourage your favorite contributor to keep making Reddit better. So what I mean is you pay the person that's doing very good posts, give them coin, give them a better, pretty much it's just like telling them to improve their videos, posts, or blogs online. And you have between silver, gold, platinum. Silver is the first level, gold is second, platinum is third. You give the recipient amount of coins, and for each coins they can use it to post for free ads. Okay, next. And let's go back. Okay, you see there's a lot of ads right now. It's running. It'll tell you like you can comment on it, give it a award, which is coin, share it on another social media website, save it, which you can favorite it. Okay, you have the Reddit app, premium, gifts. Okay, let's talk about the gifts. What are the gifts? The gifts is pretty much simple. All you gotta do is sign up. You put your description, what type of gifts would you like, and then you give the perfect gift, and then you'll receive your Secret Santa gift from the person. They mail it to your house. And next round Everything starts soon. Sign up to get notified. You just type in your email, hit submit. Past exchanges, Hello Kitty, ugly mugs, hot sauce, space, and so forth. So let's see what they say about what is Reddit Gifts. Exchange is started in 2009. Exchange, like over 200,000 people have participated, giving gifts to people over 141 different countries and more. What they do exchange every year is like okay, if you like about Star Wars, right? And they like about let's say shampoo, for an example. They'll find someone that related you like Star Wars, they'll send you Star Wars. And if someone else likes shampoo, they'll match it up with you, and then you exchange gifts. And it's 100% free to participate. They said they recommend spend about $20 on the gift. Doesn't have to be very expensive. They won't ask a dime from you. They won't even ask for your credit card information, so you won't be charged for it. It's giving to promote happiness, making someone's life better. It's about the community, and you can participate in the community by writing some posts about it. They want to enter the world record series. You can support by buying Elf status. Elf status is an optional membership that gives you extra perks and keep it running. Some events you will receive include the ability to suggest and register future gifts, traffic on your Reddit and Reddit gift profile. Special perks to only be matched with other elves and more. And you can also apply jobs on the website. So the company is at least 2009 they started it, so it could be a little bit older when they first started. So let's see, you can go to the gift exchange. That just tell you what type of categories have been exchanged. Galleries are posted. People take a post of their products, and all they gotta do is give a description, the condition, and it could be like, it doesn't have to be like a complete, like, brand new. It can be like a used product, but still in good condition. Just provide some description about it. Like someone give you a box of awesomeness. Okay, what they'll give you is some books, give you a piece of letter, encourage you, like, giving is good, and hope you enjoy the product. People have given a lot of random things. Some people give like hot sauce, but for giving food or purchases and clothing and stuff like that, at best is brand new. It's okay to give used, but first give it a wash to prevent people getting sick from it or something like that. Okay, what are the elves? I'll provide some descriptions below on Reddit gifts on elves. Okay, they have memberships. 3 months, 1 year, and 6 months. So it's not relatively very expensive, so it'll be very affordable for everybody. 3-month membership is only $10. That's really cheap. So $10 break into 3 months, $3.33. Very cheap. 1 year is $25, relatively cheap. 6 months, $14.99. Very good. Okay, what are the member benefits and what it gives you? Elves matching, award gift trophies for, let's say you give like 1 million gifts in about a year, and your only budget is about $20 or less. That's what they recommend, and you'll get a trophy for it. Trophy will pretty much be like a plaque, and it'll tell you your what type of level you are for the gift giving. You can submit and vote on future exchanges. Elevate trophies for your Reddit and Reddit gift exchange pass. You get a private subreddit elves. Membership does not automatic renewal. You'll have to do it over and over, one by one. Like when it expires, they'll just send you a notification if you want to do it again, or you can cancel your membership. It's automatic cancel, but it's best to contact them, which is mostly through email. Here, let's see. How to contact. Let's see if they have it here. Okay, they don't have it here, so I'll have to click from here. Contact is through email. Typical one. Very simple. You just give an attachment, but they limit how much megabytes, so don't make it too long. Just make it short. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you guys next time. Have a great day.